Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Sennheiser M2IEBTSW Momentum in-ear earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default setting on the Bluetooth pairing history. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these headphones not pairing with your device, or they're not connecting to Bluetooth, or they're not syncing with your phone or whatever, or if they keep disconnecting, a hard reset on this can do a lot, can fix a lot of those issues. Now the second reason is if for whatever reason you just want to set these headphones up or these earphones up as a new set of earphones by clearing all of the pairing history and list of devices off it, we can do that really easily. So the first thing we want to do is just turn the Bluetooth off on our devices, because if this is paired, it will not work while it's paired. It has to be in pairing mode. So then we're just going to put these earphones in pairing mode, and then once they're in pairing mode, so you know that the pairing mode is when it's blinking red and blue, red and blue, red and blue. Like when you turn them on, basically they'll automatically go into that pairing mode. So you'll see on the light red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. And once that happens, we're going to come in and we're going to press and hold this plus button for 2 seconds. And then it'll go from red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. You'll see it then blink purple 3 times. Purple, 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 and then go right back to red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. Basically, it will reset all of the pairing history and then go back into pairing mode, and you can set it up as a new set of headphones.